Hey guys, Pop-Tart, and I got a line bag. Just rip it open. Okay. Now, let's see, I think I got Maleficent. And here's the body. Gonna snap that head on. And she's wearing a dress. Oh, not time to put that head on right yet. First you get the cape. You fold it over so the holes line up. You put that on. Then you have this other one that you do the same thing with, except it's faced up. Here we go. And we put that head on. And then we put her little hat on. Next, it's time to make her wand. You have this thing that looks like a cup, and you put this inside of that on the bottom part. Then you have that. Then take this yellow piece, put that in that, put it in her hand. Whoops. She jumped out. Then you can put her on this stand. And that's all there is to it. You have Maleficent. Mwahaha. Say bye. This is Pop-Tart out. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like it.